Guys, it's Tony here, bringing you another description. Today I'm looking at Forge Fast. This is self-drilling, low torque, elite performance wood screw. Okay, so you've got the firmer drive on there, intelligent design. These are a pack of 200s. Okay, and the quantity there, just on the back, 4x35s. I bought these from Toolstation. Actually, it's interesting, I haven't actually looked to where they're made. Could be on the back here actually. It just says, I suspect they're either made in Vietnam, but they're actually designed in Britain. So let's see how good these go. I've got the Makita impact driver there, the impact drive kit on there. Straight in. Let's try another one. That really doesn't have sink well in them. That I like the fact that this is a magnet. It's just holds it like glue. And let's get them out. These screws don't have to get warm. Taking a look at that, guys, and you know yourself, where on these cheap Chinese screws, you can hardly get anything down on them because one turn and they're gone. But this is solid. Let's try again, same screw. Okay. Made my own propeller. And 3. So you've got no wear on that at all. Went in spot on. I would like to say that I am using a tool by Makita, which I install my video. It is actually a self-driving kit, and I'll actually show you in a second if I can find it. So this is it I got for the impact driver. It pops open, various bits and pieces on there. I'm just using that. It comes with that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.